In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use GitHub in teamwork.com. By the end of this tutorial, you'll see how integrating these two powerful tools can streamline your workflow and enhance team collaboration. So, let's dive right in. To start, open your browser and head over to Zapier's website. Zapier is a versatile automation tool that acts as a bridge between different applications, allowing you to create workflows to automate repetitive tasks. Once you're on the Zapier site, the first thing you're going to do is log into your account. If you don't have an account yet, you'll need to sign up for one. The login process is straightforward. Just follow the prompts. Now that you're logged in, it's time to create a new Zap. A Zap, in Zapier's terms, is a workflow you build to automate tasks. To do this, look for a button or a link that says Create a new Zap, which is usually easily visible on the dashboard. Click on it, and you'll be guided to the Zap Setup interface. The first step in setting up your Zap is to select a triggering app. In this case, we're going to use GitHub. GitHub is a widely used platform among software developers for version control and collaboration. So, select GitHub as your triggering app. Once selected, you need to decide on an event in GitHub that will kick off this workflow. Common events are things like new issue or new pull request. Choose an event that best fits how you want the automation to work. Next, you'll need to link your GitHub account to Zapier. Simply follow the on-screen instructions to do this. With GitHub all set up as the trigger, your next step is selecting the action app. For this tutorial, we're going to choose teamwork.com. Teamwork is a project management tool that's great for keeping track of tasks and collaborating with team members. Once you've selected Teamwork as your action app, you'll then select an action event. In many cases, Create Task might be the action you're looking for, as it allows you to create a task in response to your specified GitHub event. Again, follow the prompts to connect your teamwork.com account to Zapier. Once both GitHub and Teamwork are configured, it's essential to click Continue. This is where you'll map the data from GitHub to Teamwork. Mapping data simply means telling Zapier how information from GitHub, like issue titles or descriptions, should be used in Teamwork tasks. After mapping, you should test your Zap to make sure everything is working as expected. If the test is successful, go ahead and publish your Zap. By automating this workflow, every time a new issue is created in GitHub, it will automatically trigger an action to create a corresponding task in your Teamwork project. This seamless integration means you and your team can keep everything in sync with less manual work. And there you have it, a simple yet effective way to use GitHub in teamwork.com. Thanks for watching, and happy zapping!